have a few mentors here at Kirribil Public School that have really supported and guided me through my first 6 months of my teaching career. I have a supervisor that has really helped me along the way to face any challenges that arise and to really face them with confidence. I also have a mentor to assist me throughout the accreditation process, who has helped me in selecting the appropriate pieces of evidence to demonstrate my teaching practice and to help me to meet the standards. I also have a teacher on my stage who is my mentor that I work with quite regularly. We meet on a regular basis to discuss where I'm up to with my teaching, to ask any questions that I may have, to ask for advice, to gain feedback, and to also discuss my future goals and how exactly I'm going to reach them. Having mentors here at Kirribil has really helped me to, I guess, feel less stressed and overwhelmed in challenging times, and to really help me smoothly transition from the graduate teacher level to the proficient teacher level. So here at Kirribil, I feel that there is a real culture of learning, not only for students but for teachers as well. I also appreciate the support and guidance that was given to me by all staff members here at Kirribil during my placement, and I think that this really set me up for my teaching career and really helped me grow as a teacher, especially the time that was invested by my supervising teacher to really build on my strengths and help me to work on areas that needed improvement during my placement.
The mentoring program that I was a part of at Kirribil Public School was extremely beneficial because I was given time outside of class to do something that I wanted to do and to get collegial assistance in an area that I felt like I lacked in. So what I asked for is to go to a kindergarten classroom, as I hadn't taught K-2 yet, and be exposed to the L3 curriculum or the L3 pedagogy. And it was an extremely valuable experience for me. I thought I was going there to get that K-2 knowledge, which I got, but in fact what ended up happening was I took that back to my classroom, a year 5-6 class, and applied certain parts of that pedagogy to my classroom, and I actually established a similar group scenario to an engine room, which the kids absolutely loved. They loved that real differentiation that started to be apparent, and parents and carers really gave me positive feedback about that as well. I also loved it. It made teaching a whole lot easier, and that catering for everyone and everyone's different abilities a whole lot easier. So that mentoring opportunity was invaluable for me. It is something that still impacts my classroom, and it is actually something now that I'm mentoring other people in at the school that I'm teaching at now. So invaluable opportunity for me.
One process that we use here at Kirribil that's really helped to guide quality teaching and teacher quality is the mentoring program. You know, an opportunity that, you know, the leadership team really looked hard at putting together a timetable that was quite flexible and enabled, you know, more than one teacher to be off class at the same time to allow for that. And that collegial sharing of information and knowledge has been crucial, and it's something that has really ensured that quality teaching is sustainable within our school, and that it's not just coming from, you know, supervisors as far as imparting knowledge, but that teachers are sharing and learning from each other. The next step for us here at Kirribil is to ensure that we really consolidate what we're already doing, and you know, the differentiation around continuums, the quality teaching is we need to make sure that we don't move too quickly, you know, into different programs, that we continue to have time and to dedicate time and money to collaborative planning and the processes that occur with that. I think, you know, continuing to delve into, you know, observing each other's teaching or to share that sort of practice that's happening in classrooms is another step that I think is really important. You know, if I was to pick one area, it would be feedback, and you know, not just feedback that comes from supervisors to teachers, but also the feedback that comes from teachers to students. And I think that would really be you know, we would really see some really good results from that, and I think that would be a really great next step, you know, to consolidate what's already happening but move that little bit deeper.